Welcome to Viney Tutors. Let me walk you through the entire APCSA exam course and its content. Viney APCS course will prepare you for the Advanced Placement Computer Science A exam. This exam tests your programming skills in Java. The APCSA exam is 3 hours long and has 2 sections: multiple choice and free response. You will be given 1 hour and 30 minutes for each part. The first part has 40 multiple choice questions and the second part has 4 free response questions where you have to write Java code by hand. Each part is worth 50% of your grade. During the exam, you will have access to the APCSA Java Quick Reference Sheet. From this year, the APCSA exam will cover the following units and will provide formative assessments called personal progress checks for every unit in the AP portal. 20 hours of lab time is required in APCSA courses to allow you to practice Java programming. Viney Tutors provide the platform to practice the codes and get that reviewed by tutors. Note from this year, APCSA abstract classes, interfaces and binary or hex conversions have been removed. This course is arranged to follow the APCSA units and provides many interactive exercises in each unit. Let us have a detailed look at the units and the marks weightages it carries. Unit 1, Primitive Types, carry 2.5 to 5% of the total exam weight. Unit 2, Using Objects, carry 5 to 7.5%. Unit 3, Boolean Expressions or ifs, carry 15 to 17.5% of the total exam weight. Unit 4, Iteration, carries 17.5 to 22.5% of the marks. Unit 5, Writing Classes, carry 5 to 7.5%. Unit 6, Array, carries 10 to 15%. Unit 7, Array List, carries 2.5 to 7.5%. Unit 8, 2D Array, carries 7.5 to 10%. Unit 9, Inheritance, carries 5 to 10%. And Unit 10, Recursion, carries 5 to 7.5% of the total exam weight. These breakdown of marks help you with the time management and helps you with the preparation for the course. As we all know about the FAQs, the 4 free response questions allow students to write code to answer a problem and cover the following areas. Question 1, Methods and Control Structures, where students call methods and work with control structures without the added complexity of data structures. Question 2, Class, where students design and implement a described class. Question 3, Array or Array List, where students complete program code that uses array or array list objects. And question 4, 2D Array, where students complete program code that uses 2D arrays. For more information on the exam, you can see the College Board official website. The APCSA past free response questions are covered in Viney Tutors online courses. We provide question bank and formative assessment quizzes for every unit online for every student registered with AP classes. Learning to code is an increasingly important skill that has applications in many careers. We help you receive the perfect score with ease. You can check our website for more details and know more about the courses and curriculum in the coming videos. Please do subscribe to our channel and the link is given below. You can also find us in Facebook and the link is also provided, and you can reach out to us at 877-480-4602. Thank you.